Removal of the plastic cover below the bottom of the Jeep. Using panel clip pliers or a flat screwdriver, remove the 4 plastic fasteners along the bottom front of the plastic cover. Remove the 2 plastic fasteners from behind the plastic shield. Remove this piece and set it aside. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 8 nuts that attach the front bumper to the frame itself, 4 on either side. Before removing the bumper completely, make sure to disconnect the fog lights and remove the bumper and set it aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 bolts that are holding the fog lights into the bumper. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 plastic screw clips along the top of the plastic cover and set it aside. Using provided hardware, reattach the fog lights to the new bumper. Using the OEM spacer plates and the provided hardware, attach the new bumper to the frame of the vehicle, but do not tighten the bolts. Reconnect the fog lights. Adjust the bumper to your liking and then tighten all nuts on the back side of the bumper.